Okay friends, to get started on our mass airflow sensor, first we're going to find it. It's located right here. Now that we found it, let's continue on to removing the wiring for it. You're going to find that there's a little tab right here. You can go ahead and draw that away from the mass airflow sensor and then remove the wiring. Inspect your wiring, make sure you don't see any funny colors. If you do, it's corrosion and it needs to be dealt with. This one looks great. Let's set it aside. Now the next thing we're going to do is loosen up two clamps. One right here and one right there. Now we're going to move along to removing our air filter housing cover bolts. There's 4 of them, one on each corner. Now let's grab onto this. Separate the 2 pieces. Go ahead and grab onto it, give it a nice twist. I'll set this aside for a second. Let's go ahead and inspect our air filter. If it needs to be replaced, now's the time to do it. Now let's go ahead and grab onto this, give it a nice little wiggle, separate it. If this piece came off the housing, go ahead and remove that as well. All right, now the next thing we're gonna do is clean up the mounting areas. We want everything to be as clean as possible and free of any dirt or debris. Now if this piece came off of your housing, go ahead and line it up so that this tab goes in between these 2 ears, and then of course put it right on there. Now it's going to be time to install our mass airflow sensor. Just give it a quick check over, make sure you don't see any dirt or debris from shipping or handling or anything like that. This looks great, so let's continue on to sliding it into this area right here. And we want it to be pretty much so it's going to be parallel with the ground, not like that. This feels perfect. You can see we have the arrow, which indicates the airflow. It's going to be facing towards the engine. Go ahead and slide this on here. There we are. As you can tell, we still have everything so it's lined up perfectly straight going across. Let's grab our air filter, slide that right into the housing, and now let's start closing everything up. Okay, let's snug up all 4 bolts here. All right, now let's go ahead and squeeze this together and start tightening up our clamps. Just double check them with a ratchet. Give it a nice wiggle. Make sure they're 100% secured. You do not want any dirty air making its way past the air filter and into the engine. Now it's time to reconnect in the mass airflow sensor here. Go ahead and push it down, listen for a click, give it a nice tug. All right, so now all you have left to do is go ahead and start up your truck, check for runnability issues, and of course make sure you don't have a check engine light.